are tricking. Please, I already know they have tacos de fajita here.
Yeah, they do. You want one?
I don't want a mali.
It's recording.
I gotta get the shot out. Funny, really funny.
There's another one coming, bro.
Guys, you have to do it. Oh, like this.
Like that.
We can see. You should do it, man.
Right there.
I cannot do it. Great. Annabelle was on it. She is crazy. Angel. Where's Stephanie?
Next to Danny's truck.
And Annabelle's very top.
First contestant for the burnout contest. Lethal weapon. Lethal weapon.
Lethal weapon.
Lethal weapon is the first one. Ready for that?
Oh, trucks sound very cool.
Let's see how much smoke it gives. Okay?
I know I will get 1,000 smoke.
We'll see.
I like that. Why do they do that? The truck sounds very cool. Oh, that truck looks cool. He needs that. Truck looks cool.
No, it's gonna go again, Brent. It's gonna go again.
That's a lot of smoke.
That is? Well, it's gonna get worse. They're good.
Meaning when the lights go up, that means it's gonna go very fast. You try your makeup. Meaning that guy can't near drive. That guy can't near drive. He needs.
Money.
That guy cannot either drive. Go on the
It's gonna be really loud. Did you see how that picked up, Brennan?